The Pentagon will continue to conduct drone strikes against ISIS-K militants and other targets within Afghanistan when necessary, even after the permanent withdrawal of the US military presence within the country, spokesman John Kirby said on Tuesday. The US launched deadly drone strikes against an individual described as an ISIS-K planner, as well as a suspected suicide car bomber in recent days after the terrorist group claimed responsibility for suicide bombing that killed 13 US service members. Kirby indicated the Pentagon would utilize drone strikes if threats arose in the future. We have the capability from an over-the-horizon perspective of ensuring our national security interests are protected and defended, Kirby said during an interview with NPR. And what I would tell you without getting into hypotheticals or speculating about future operations, we are going to continue to maintain those capabilities and use them if and when we need to. The final American troops departed Kabul's airport on Monday, ending the longest military conflict in US history. Prior to the withdrawal, President Biden pledged to retaliate against ISIS-K over its role in the deadly bombing, warning the group that the US military will hunt you down and make you pay. Kirby affirmed that protracted US military action in Afghanistan would not occur. The military mission in Afghanistan is over, and that includes the conclusion of the 20-year war that we had been fighting there, he said. The president was very clear that he wanted to end this war, and we have ended it. The Biden administration has faced intense criticism from Republican lawmakers over its handling of the withdrawal. The terrorist attacks in Kabul reignited fears that a Taliban-led Afghanistan could serve as a safe haven to groups plotting further strikes against the US. Biden has argued the US can effectively combat the threat of terrorism without a permanent presence in Afghanistan. Kirby said the Pentagon does not assess that there is a significant threat to our national security emanating from Afghanistan right now, and we are not going to drop the ball here. We are not going to take our eyes off of it. We have robust over-the-horizon capabilities. We are going to continue to use them where and when we need to, Kirby added.